Build a dedicated bulk cooking workstation to turn chaotic meal prep into efficient, repeatable workflows for a big family kitchen. Design the workstation around workflow zones so every step from ingredient weighing to labeling and storage flows without backtracking. Start with an inset scale area, flush with the countertop at waist height to weigh portions quickly. Choose a scale that supports tare and metric and imperial units, and keep a small silicone mat underneath for spills. Add a compact label printer and a roll of heat-resistant labels near the scale so you can print ingredient names, portion sizes, and reheating instructions on the fly. Set up label templates on a simple browser or phone app to save common entries. Include a vacuum sealer drawer or pull-out unit with a dedicated bin for vacuum bags and a small cutter so sealing and bagging happens at the same station. Position a shallow slope or tray for liquids and marinated items so you can drain safely. Provide 2 distinct mixing surfaces at different heights, one for heavy-duty mixing and one lower for plated portioning and cooling to keep tasks separate and ergonomic. Use food-safe replaceable mats for each. Plan an appliance garage with outlets and venting for slow cookers and pressure cookers so they are ready to use without clogging counter space. Add pull-out shelves and cable management so you can open a lid or set a timer without unplugging everything. Integrate an under-counter drawer for stackable, reusable containers and lids organized by size so packing is fast and you never hunt for a matching top. 3 common mistakes are crowding the workstation with every tool, which causes confusion, placing scales on unstable surfaces, which ruins accuracy, and ignoring a simple labeling system, which leads to wasted food. Keep only the items you use daily at the station and store specialty gadgets elsewhere to reduce clutter and maintain a consistent routine. Mount the scale into the counter or use a heavy non-slip pad and confirm calibration periodically with a known weight. Adopt a basic label template that includes date, contents, and reheating instructions, then print as you package so items are rotated and used in the correct order. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners plan projects like a built-in bulk cooking workstation by connecting us with local contractors and sharing real-world project ideas. We also host a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips and find contractors looking for work.